Yes, we won the soccer final of the World Cup. Viva España. We won. Hi, everybody.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran. Welcome to our very happy house today. What a week. I don't know if you have been following the World Cup, the Soccer World Cup. Spain won the final match. It was thrilling. It was an amazing match. All Spain has gone crazy for the last week, welcoming our players, and it's been amazing. So, today we're going to do a winning recipe because we won. Yes, we won. Anyway,
It's a winning recipe. Is it?
I had to connect
Paparajotes.
the connecting. So what we're going to do are called paparajotes. You know, people say when the nature gives you lemons, do lemonade. Not in Spain. When it gives you lemons, you do paparajotes. If you cannot say the word, don't worry. Half of Spain cannot say it either.
It's a very complex word.
Shall we?
Yeah. Okay, but you didn't explain what paparajotes is. It's a sweet.
It's a dessert.
It's a dessert made with not the lemons, but the leaf of the lemon tree.
There we go. Okay.
Let's go.
So let's go. By the way, did you get the leaves out of the fridge?
I don't know. Let's see.
We won! We won! We won! Okay, let's put this back. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so the stars of the day are the lemons, and here we have some lemon leaves, which is what we're gonna be cooking today. Okay?
You can hear the leaves.
Oh, you have here the leaves? Okay, so very important. What you are going to need is a very simple recipe. Okay, so you need some milk, the same amount of milk in self-raising flour. You have a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, and yes, we're not kidding, the leaves of a lemon tree, okay? And then for coating, you're gonna need some sugar and you're gonna need some cinnamon. And we have already been preparing, we've been infusing for about 10 minutes or less in very low heat sunflower oil with the lemon zest, right? Which is what you need to prepare. So I think that's probably already infused, so maybe we can take it out.
Let's leave it for a few minutes.
Okay, so
what we are going to do is, you can of course do this with a hand blender.
We have it
there,
here,
just in case.
Just in case. We don't want to use it because it's way too noisy.
It's very noisy. So 2 eggs, a pinch of salt.
Oh, when we mean a pinch, it's just a little pinch.
Not too big. And with every sweet thing, it's nice to use a bit of salt because it brings out flavor. It brings out the sweetness. It's strange, but I think it's just the contrast.
Sorry, where do you have your microphone? I don't see it.
My what?
Your microphone? Oh, it's down there. Okay, sorry.
You thought I had lost it?
Yeah, they're so small. Okay.
Okay, so the milk. And let's see. Maybe I can put it through the sieve.
You need help?
No.
So it's the same amount of milk to self-raising flour.
Yeah. If you don't have self-raising flour, just add 2 teaspoons.
Yeast, or how you?
Of baking powder.
Baking powder, not yeast. Baking powder. So, as Ainhoa mixes the rest of the flour and all of that, with that, she's gonna make the dough. How do you say that?
Yes, a dough. It's a dough.
Let me explain you where this recipe comes from. This recipe comes from Murcia. Murcia, it's a Spanish state that is between it's in the Mediterranean. It is right underneath Valencia, okay? Underneath that province. And here is Andalusia and here is Valencia. That's in the middle, it's Murcia. And on the 8th century, when the Muslims came into Spain, remember in the year 711, they brought irrigation, farming techniques. It was amazing. And they found this little corner in Spain where weather is incredible, soil is very rich, and with a very good technique of water irrigation, they found the perfect spot for citruses. Orange, lemons, tangerines, all of that comes from there. Okay, so really very good area. The thing is that this is, it was one of the most humble, not very wealthy part of Spain, and the farmers, they did this dessert using the leftovers, which are the lemon leaves. Everybody cares for the lemons, but what are the lemon leaves? Can you do something? Yes, you can. You can do paparajotes. Okay, so that's what we are doing today. Paparajotes. Okay, the dough.
It's a dough.
It's okay. So you need to remove the cysts that are, how do you say, infused in the lemon, in the olive oil, the sunflower oil.
What we do is we let them at low heat, and then we take them off, and then start with the
Butter.
butter.
Butter,
That's
not
butter,
dough.
not
Butter.
dough, it's butter.
That's the word I was looking for. Turn.
And we've been doing this for years, and we still miss some words, huh?
Yeah, there's some words that are like, I think we've been doing this almost 3 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so very easy. We have the extremely dry, very important to have it very dry leaves, okay? Because if you have water into here, you're gonna put, how do you say? You're gonna put water into oil, so that's not a nice thing, okay? So now what you need to do is raise a little bit the temperature of the oil, of the sunflower oil. That's what I know it's doing. And as you can see, easy peasy. You just need to cover the leaves with dough, no, with
Butter.
butter, and from here it goes directly
Here.
into there. Let me go to the other side.
So you wonder why we are using lemon leaves, lemon tree leaves, because they have lots of oils
And aromas.
and then they are like it's just like putting the oil, the lemon into the butter, but you do that through the leaves. Simple.
It's very easy, and very important that you need self-raising flour. If not, you have to put the baking powder that we haven't put. Okay, so now very slowly that's going to fry. Let me get out of the way.
We will turn them a few times.
Yeah, because you don't want them burned. You just want them nice, golden, crispy. By the way, if we talk about Murcia, this province where these paparajotes come from, there's another very important person in Spain that comes from there. Who is it, Ainhoa?
Alcaraz.
Carlos Alcaraz. Yes, Carlitos Alcaraz, our tennis player. So, for Murcia, which is a very small province that not too many people visit, it's in the Mediterranean.
That's great.
It's a beautiful, beautiful part of Spain, but not too many people. Is it good?
Good. It is.
So, yes, in Murcia we have a lot of famous people, good food, great beaches. Oh, it smells like lemon from here.
Yeah. Let
Okay.
me.
Are you going to do some more? No.
No, I'm just turning. I told you I want them like golden, so we have to wait.
So, if we talk about the Mediterranean, let me talk to you about my Mediterranean tour. In Traveling the Steps, I do have an amazing tour. Unfortunately, we don't go to Murcia, but we go to Valencia. We start in the Mediterranean, right above, on top of Murcia, we have the province of Valencia, and we go to its capital, Valencia City, where we start, okay? And from there, we discover the Spanish Mediterranean. We go to Menorca and later to Mallorca. It's a great tour.
Yeah.
If you want to join, I would love to see you in that tour, which is a beautiful, beautiful tour. And Ainhoa is giving me the look like, they're done, they're done. Turn our camera around.
That's fine.
Okay, so look at that paparajote.
So this is done. This is
Okay.
golden.
So from here, you just want to get a little bit of that extra olive oil out of
Out of the
parchment
way.
paper, or how do you call
No,
this?
this is like
Kitchen
kitchen
paper.
paper. Right? So just
You just turn them around a couple of times just to get all the extra olive oil out.
this is a very simple dessert, only that you need to have the lemon tree leaves.
Which is, at least here in Pamplona,
In
it's not
Pamplona,
easy.
it's not easy.
Okay, so what Ainhoa is doing, a little bit of grounded cinnamon on top of sugar. You mix it.
This is very typical of many desserts in Spain. Like the finish is like you use butter, or like we made a leche frita. you can find the recipe somewhere. And we also in our channel, and we also use this mix of sugar and cinnamon, right? So to finish the dessert, because you realize we didn't have we didn't have much sugar into this.
Yeah.
So let me get this.
So this is just sugar and cinnamon, okay? And while they are warm, okay, is when you need to coat them, because if they are not warm, the sugar will not stick to the paparajote.
Okay.
Be careful, don't burn yourself.
No, don't burn myself. Don't worry. Be happy. So that's one.
So look at that. Can it be easier on that? The problem here is that you need to have lemon.
But in California they do.
Oh, if you're in California, yeah, of course, that's a good idea. Darn girl,
maybe in Maine, no, but in California they do have.
As you can see, I mean, what we have done gives you a lot of butter. Butter. That reminds me of, how do you say? What is the movie?
The butter.
Oh, butter.
Not butter. I don't know. I mean, for us it's not easy.
Well, a movie.
Whatever.
My Fair Lady. So these are the paparajotes. As you can see, super easy. One of the things, or one of the jokes in, are you gonna show them how to eat one of them? A lot of people think that you eat it, the whole thing, okay? But you don't. You don't eat the leaf. So you peel it, and what you eat, let me show how you peel it. So you see, you leave the leaf, okay? The leaf, you don't eat it. You only eat the butter. And what happens is that it gives all the oils, all the flavors.
It's like a buñuelo.
Yeah. So, okay, don't eat it all because I want one for myself.
I don't know. Think about it.
You, I'm your husband. Can I have some, please?
Okay.
Anyway, so as you have seen, it is a week that we're talking about winning. Yay! And this is really a winning recipe because it's probably the easiest one we've done so far. We're going to handicap that you need lemon leaves. I assume orange leaves, they would also work.
Never tried.
Never tried it. So we have only tried it with lemon leaves. Everybody, thank you so much for cheering for Spain. For joining us this week. Thanks for coming home. We would love to see you next week over here.
Take care.
Love you. Adios, amigos.